The National Weather Service in Green Bay, Wisconsin has issued a winter storm warning for the following counties: Greenville, and is effective until 1:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, storm spotters in the area indicated have reported a large storm heading towards your area. Source: Storm Chaser indicated. Hazard: you are in a potentially life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Icy roads may cause damage to cars, and accidents may occur. Repeat, a winter storm warning has been issued for the following counties: Greenville. Take cover now.